Perrin, chopper up the middle. Fielded by Connor, he steps on the bag, and the Lions are the 2012 Mansfield Regional Champions. Here is the dog pile in the middle of the field. They will move on to play for the Division III National Championship next week in Wisconsin.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 2012 NCAA Division III Mansfield Regional Champions, Wheaton College.
It's an exciting feeling, folks.
We ask that you remain with us for the presentation of the Regional Championship Award, as well as the
second regional championship in school history. They're going back to Wisconsin for the first time since 2006. Watching this never gets old, folks. These are exciting moments for these young men. They're one of 8 teams left in the country. They win it 2-0. Frank Holbrook and Ryan Grant combined on the 2-hit shutout